Hey there, let's talk about something we've all felt at some point. That pinch in your wallet when unexpected bills hit, or that stress of wanting a little extra cash without working a second job. What if I told you there's a way to start earning money today? No experience, no upfront costs, and no waiting around. That's exactly what the Emergency Income Kit is all about. Imagine waking up tomorrow with $50, $75, even $100 added to your bank account. Just by using simple methods you can start in under 10 minutes. No complicated business plans, no special skills. Just straightforward, fun strategies that fit into your life. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or someone juggling a 9-to-5, this kit is designed for you. Here's the best part. You don't need to invest a single dollar to get started. Zero risk. And the methods? They're nothing like traditional work. Picture earning money while listening to music, driving, or even taking a walk. Sounds too good? Let me break down why this works. First, speed matters. The kit includes 28 different methods tailored for immediate results. One person might use a method that involves their smartphone during their commute. Another might set up a passive stream that earns while they sleep. The point is, you pick what fits your day. No waiting weeks for payouts. Some methods pay out the same day. Second, no headaches. Forget building websites, managing inventory, or selling products. These methods skip the boring, technical stuff. You're guided step by step, and if you ever feel stuck, lifetime support is included. Yes, lifetime. No extra fees, no expiry date. Third, flexibility is key. Maybe you only have 30 minutes a day. That's fine. The kit shows you how to mix and match methods to ramp up your income. And for those dreaming of passive income, several strategies let you set things up once and keep earning long-term. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? Totally fair. Hundreds of people, from college students to retirees, have used this kit to cover bills, pay off debt, or fund their side hustles. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who earned $80 her first day testing one of the methods. Or Mark, who turned a few hours a week into $500 extra a month. The creators, Tom and Jono, even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, they'll refund every penny. Who's this for? Anyone. Seriously. If you have internet access and a willingness to take action, you're set. Whether you're in a financial crunch, saving for a vacation, or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck, the tools are here. No luck or secret formulas involved, just effort meeting opportunity. So, what's stopping you? Financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. The Emergency Income Kit hands you the blueprint. You could start today, earn tomorrow, and breathe easier by the weekend. Go to the bonus page to see the awesome bonuses that you can pick up through me. Ready to take control? Click the link below to grab your kit. And hey, if this video helped you, do me a quick favor. Like, share with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more tips on turning stress into success. Let's make 2025 the year your bank account grows effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.